Welcome to Tortle Ninja's platform tutorials. Tortle Ninja brings the world of DeFi to your fingertips, providing you with all you need to take your crypto investments to the next level in an easy-to-use package. Today, we're here to introduce a new feature, Perpetual DEXs. We'll explain what they are and how they work. A Perpetual DEX is an exchange site where you can bet on the future value of a crypto asset. Add your funds in to establish a position in the exchange and predict whether the asset gains or loses value. This is all done in real time, and if you play it right, you can get massive gains in a short time. Perpetual DEXs come in two forms, long and short. When you establish a long position, you're betting on the asset gaining more value. When you establish a short position, you're betting on the asset losing value. There is a big risk, however. If the market moves far enough from your position, aka the asset loses value in a long position or the asset gains value in a short position, it will be liquidated by the DEX and you will lose all the funds you added. Thankfully, Tortle Ninja can help prevent this with combo triggers. Set a combo trigger to avoid getting your position liquidated by the DEX, then add a second condition to this combo trigger to set a take profit limit, or better yet, go into more elaborate DeFi strategies. With Tortle, you set the boundaries. The possibilities are nearly limitless, and we have GMX to thank for working with us to introduce this awesome feature to you guys. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and share this video. Also, follow us on Twitter for more updates.